dollar stopped rising, if energy prices have stopped falling, we think that's a reasonable outlook, and it makes the second half look a little better than the first.
You know, Ben, in quiet markets, the sort of moves that we've had on JP Morgan and Bank of America this week really stand out. I mean, financials were obviously the worst performing area of the market.